Hello, you're welcome to this video. We started from where we left off from the last video. A subscriber named Dave has just subscribed for a plan, which will do a direct bank transfer to the account number. I would like to go to Dave's account to see what is going on over there. Here is Dave's account. And here under packages, let's see what's there. So this is what we have. Subscribe for a standard plan, which is true, standard plan. Okay. Duration is 60 days. It has this status on hold. And here, so this is what we see on Dave's plan. Now his transfer or payment is yet to be activated. Alright, so whenever Dave completes this process, the site owner is going to receive an email. Okay, during the WooCommerce setup setting here, the site owner under emails puts his email here. So when there is a new order, just as Dave has just done, the site owner gets an email notifying him or her about Dave's order. As soon as the site owner receives this email, he logs into the back end of his site and goes to orders. Goes to orders here. And as you can see, there is an order by Dave, and look at Dave's email, dave@gmail.com. Here we have dave@gmail.com. Okay, so there is an order from Dave. So let's assume Dave decides to do the bank transfer and the admin has gotten the alert. All the admin needs to do is this: come to this place, come down and say complete, then apply. Take note of this, on hold, this is on hold, then say apply. Now look at this, it says completed. Then you can come here and view. See the date of payment. Address, phone number, and information about Dave is here. Order notes, order status changed by bulk edits. Alright, so the important thing is this: the site administrator has just confirmed Dave's payment. So let's go back to Dave's account here, this account. Now take note of the state of this account before I refresh or reload. This on hold, this on hold. Now let me reload and see what we're going to have. Now is here completed, here completed, and here add plan details. Here is the full details of the plan. So this is what Dave is going to see. So this is going to track the ad he posts on his account. Now let's say right now you decide to post an ad. I open that on a new page. Now I'm not interested in all this. I just want to go down, and here the standard has been added because they've made a payment. If Dave were to use the free ad, he will only have this. So this shows Dave has purchased a pricing plan. So you can now fill the content and click on publish ad. Alright, so this is basically how to activate a plan for any subscriber. I quite agree with you that this is very technical. Don't fail to ask a question in case you need more clarification. Or better still, what I'm going to do is this. I will just have to log out from Dave's account and create a new account. So I come here, say log out. And here the register page is open for me. So I just want to create a new account. Let's say rose at gmail.com. I have to agree to terms and conditions and say register. Okay, said well done, you've successfully registered. Check your email inbox for password. Okay, now I want to use my username and I want to log in. Click here to log in. Alright, so here I use Rose, and here I use okay, I need to check my mail to get the password. So I'll quickly head to my mail to get the password. Alright, now when you get a password from your mail, you quickly input it here and you say login. Here is Rose account. Let's say Rose decides to post a new ad. Here is what is displayed. It has just regular ads. And here is being, it said you have no active plan for featured ads. You must purchase a featured ad pricing plan to be able to publish a featured ad. So if you click on this place, for example, it opens on a new page showing you the plans you have set up initially. Alright, now coming back to Rose account again, check on packages. again, it's just no package at the moment because Rose is on the free plan. So assuming Rose decides to purchase the platinum plan, clicking on this, then when it changes to VCAT, clicks again, and here is the cart. Now there's something about this cart. I can decide to buy another plan. So I simply open a pricing plan in another tab. Here Rose has a platinum plan. Now here Rose decides to add another plan like this. Click on purchase. Now VCAT, click on VCAT. Now Rose, you have the platinum and the standard plan all together. Now he decides to, and the value is being calculated here, added here, which is 9 plus 29, which is 39. Alright, so he decides to go to proceed to checkout. Here we just want to put Rose decides to put his information. Rose, if just anything here, United States, street address 12. Let's just use the previous account. City, England. Country, United Kingdom. Postcode, let's use the previous one. Okay, and here we have the platinum and the standard, and here we choose this time cash on delivery, and we say accept, then place our order. So here we have cash on delivery, email, total amount. Here you have platinum 1, standard 1. So if you can have more than one plan at a time. And here is the billing address. Meanwhile, let's come to Rose account and reload and see what we got there. But before that, take a look at what we have here now. Now let's reload. So this is packages, and we have the platinum and the standard, 90 days, 60 days, processing. All right, so at the back end here, an email is sent to the admin. Then the admin goes to orders, and here is Rose's order, the total amount and everything, and the other says processing. Now here you can say complete or view, The other time we completed the order using this place. Now I want to say complete using this button. And here we have it complete. So going back to Rose's account now, let's reload and see if this processing will still be there or not. And here we have it completed. The platinum is standard completed as well, and here completed, and here we have both blanks. So let's pretend we want to post an ad right now. That is, Rose is now posting an ad, and here is what Rose is faced with: the free plan, the standard, and the platinum, all running concurrently. So if Rose were to buy more of either standard or platinum, they will also appear in this location. Okay, so this has been a wonderful video explaining the technical aspect of this Classiera WordPress theme. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.